Good morning all, here I am with another vlog from the mountains. Today I am going up top to Mayrhofen. Currently I am in the Horbergbahn gondola and I'll be going throughout the whole mountain to the furthermost point and coming back to where I started. I am skiing with a couple of friends today, and in this video you can expect some tips and tricks with regards to Mayrhofen, where to eat, what to drink, and where would you find the best slopes. As you might see, the weather is really beautiful today. We have blue skies and still relatively fresh snow, so really looking forward to the whole day. So I'm starting my day at Penken and I'll ski down to 150 Tux to go up to Rastkogel and then continue up until Tux Finkenberg. Here I am at the 150 Tux. So this takes us up to the mountain to the Rastkogel area. The name 150, so 150 comes from, it takes up until 150 people. So it is one of the biggest gondolas in whole Austria. Here I am at the top of 150 Tux at 2,500 meters, and I will ski down to Eggalm using 2 blue and 1 red pists. This will be around 5.5 kilometers down. It's a beautiful run, and there is already a video that you could have a look at if you would want to. Now we are down at the Eggalm Valley and we'll go up to Finkenberg. As you can see, the conditions are beautiful. This is one of the good places where you can do a short stop, especially if you're coming from Horbergbahn. I visited today in the morning. So we went up to Eggalm and down to the valley again to Finkenberg, and now we're taking the Rastkogelbahn, so the gondola back to Rastkogel. So this run of 63 and 76 is one of our favorites, and probably we'll do it once again, where I will share you another tip with regards to where to stop. Here we are at the Waldhütte. In my opinion, this is a hidden gem. It's most of the time not as windy as the other spots on the mountain because it is directly in the valley, and also the prices are definitely a little bit better in comparison to most of the other spots on this particular mountain. So we are doing a final stop here at Lämmerbichl before we go back to Penken. I have one tip while you're going back from Eggalm to Penken. Spare some time for the lift rides, because you will be going up and down a couple of times up until you reach the 150 Tux, or you go down via the red route to Penken. So I already told you how it might take a couple of minutes up until you get to the 150 Tux, or you get down from Rastkogel to Penken. I actually wanted to show you the Harakiri run as well, but let's see if time allows with all of these stops here in this lift. I have to take another one, and then it will go down, and then I think there is one more. So time is really tight. So I don't know how the sound will be, but this is the infamous Harakiri run, the number 34 black pist. This has a descent of 78 degrees, and yeah, I mean, this is one of the steepest pists on the Alps that you can basically run. I really wanted to try this, but yeah, I mean, a couple of stops on Rastkogel means that this will be a separate video which will come in the future. We somehow made it to the gondola and are now going down to the parking lot. Hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to show you around a little bit, give you some tips and give you a glimpse of a day in Mayrhofen. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button, and if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.